Hello everyone. So today we will do the this one like this study test is there, na, that time and work test. Okay. So time and work test you have to see the solution today. Okay. Whatever time and work chapter I have taken the study test. So see everyone, this is the like first question is here. Those who are watching on the YouTube this video 9:30, this is completely free of cost. Online test is there on Telegram. Okay, you can join anyone. Placement material, this is the group here at the rate of Bhism sir. At the rate of Bhism sir. Okay. Otherwise, I will paste the link of this Telegram in the like what in the this YouTube video. Okay, down. Okay, I will paste the Telegram link. You can join from there. Anyone. Okay. So let's see everyone. First question: if A completes the work in 30 days, okay, and B complete any government exam you're preparing, then you can like watch this video. You're preparing for the placement at TCS NQT. Okay, the 50 divided by 600 equal to 1 by x here. This is the how much here? 12. So in 12 days he will complete the entire work. In 12 days he will complete the entire work. So this first question done here. Now we will try second question, all of you. See everyone, second question, all of you. A can do a piece of work in 12 days, okay, and B in 15 days. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by x. Okay, the 15 plus 12, this is the 180 equal to 1 by x. This is the 15 plus 27 divided by 180 equal to 1 by x here. 9 3 are 27. This is the 20 here. So x is equal to 20 by 3. That is a 6 2 by 3 days is the correct answer here. Okay. 150 25 27 9 3 are 27 20 by 3. Okay. So this is the 20 by 3. I think this is the correct answer for this one. One second. No, one second. One mistake is happened here. Sorry. Actually, I didn't read the question here. They work together for 5 days. Okay. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 here. 1 by x this is. So this is the how much here? 27 divided by 180. So 5 days they are working together. So 1 day work is how much? 27 by 180. So 5 day work is how much here? This is the 3. This is the 20 here. 5 4 20 here. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 part of the work. 3 by 4 part of work you are completing in how many days? 5 days. What is your remaining work? So you have to subtract 1 minus 3 by 4. How much this is? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 work they have to do by whom? A, because B already left here. And saying that B will do the twice of the work. What is here? So twice of work 1 by 4 is how much here? 1 by 2 this is. Okay. So 1 by 2 work who will complete? A will complete. And A is doing how much work in 1 day? So see, 12 days. 1 by 12 work he is doing in 1 day. So 1 by 12 work you are doing in 1 day. So 1 by 2 work you will do in how many days? So 1 by 2 multiply 12 by 1. This is the here 6 days. So 6 days you can complete the work. Okay. So this is the answer. Third one is the correct answer. Okay. A will complete the remaining work twice of this one in 6 days. Okay. Now you come to question number 3, everyone. Okay. If A and B working separately and can do a piece of work 1 by 9 and 1 by 12, like see 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if they work for a day alternately, how many days will work completed if A beginning the work? Like A starting here, second day B doing, third day C is doing, fourth day again no, third day A doing, fourth day B doing, fifth day again A doing, sixth day again B doing. Okay. So I will see whatever I will find now. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12 equal to 1 by x. This is the 2 days work. This is not a 1 day work. So 12 plus 9 is how much? 21, and 12 9 is how much? This is 108 equal to 1 by x. 9 7. This is the 3 7 ja 3 3 ja 9 3 6 ja 18. So x is equal to 36 by 7. Okay. So 7 will divide this one. 7 5 ja 35. 1 is here. So what is this? 5 1 by 7 days is the correct answer. 5 1 by 7 days is the correct answer. But this is the what? This is the coming for not like for 2 days. See, this entire work is there, na? That is the 7 by 36. This is the 2 days. In 2 days, this much work doing. This unit work they are doing in a 2 days. So 5 1 by 7 they will do in how many days? So 5 multiplied 2, 5 2 are 10 here, and 2 by 7. Okay, so if you do this one, 70 plus 2, 72 here, 72 divided by 7, 1 here, 7 is cancelled here, 2 0 here, it's not going. 7 to the 18, again 2 here, so 7 3 ja again, 7 to almost 7 3 ja, so 10.25 is the correct answer here. Okay, 10.25 is the correct answer for this one. See everyone, question number 4, all of you. Question number 4 is saying here ki A and B together can complete a work in how many days? A and B. He will complete the work in 72 days. So I will write 1 by 72. B and C complete the work in how many days? 1 by 120. And A and C will complete the work in how many days? So this is the what happened, 2 by A plus 2 by B plus 2 by C, 1 by 72, 1 by 120 plus 1 by 90. So how much this is? 2 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So what is this? We have to take the LCM, that is 360 here, and this LCM is a 360, and 7 5 are 35, 12 3 are 36, 9 4 are 36 again here. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, that is 360 here, and 2 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C here. See, this is the how much, 30 here, and 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C equal to how much here? 1 by 60. Okay, so A, B, C together they are completing the work in how many days? 60 days. Okay, so now see, they are asking ki A will complete the work in how many days? So B and C they are completing in how many days? 120. So what I will do here, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C equal to 1 by 60, and B and C doing the work in how many days? 120. So 1 by A plus 1 by 120 equal to 1 by 60. A will complete the work in 1 by 60 minus 1 by 120 equal to 1 by A. 2 minus 1 divided by 120 equal to 1 by 120. A is equal to how much here? 120 days. 120 days is the correct answer. Okay, so A will complete the work in 120 days. This is the only answer here. Okay, I think in this question, if option is not given correct, okay, so in this question I think option they have not given correctly. They have given the option 60 days. That is not correct here. None of this is the correct answer. None of this is the correct answer for this one. Okay, so 120 is the only correct answer. Okay, okay everyone, so we will try here next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is asking here, X is a 3 times as fast as Y is able to complete the work in 40 days. Okay, in 40 days, less than, okay, see, if efficiency you find X and Y have efficiency, how much this is? 3x ratio X. So days, what happened? Days he will take just opposite, X days and 3x days. Okay, so both are completing the work in how many days? In 40 days. Okay. No, he is telling and able to complete the work in 40 days less than Y. Very simple, you take this one 20, this is how much here? 60. See, 40 days less he is taking. Y, X is 3 times as fast as Y and able to complete the work 40 days less than Y. So see here, 40 days less he is doing. Okay, so find the time which they complete the work together. So what I will do, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60 equal to 1 by X. How much this is? 1 by X is equal to 4 by 60. This is how much here? 1 by 15. So find the time in which can complete the work together. So 15 days they will complete the work together. Okay, so this is the only answer. So X will come how much here? 15 days. Question number 6, you see everyone. Question number 6. Question number 6, you see everyone. Question number 6 is here. Jyoti can do a work in Jyoti can do 3 by 4 of the job. 3 by 4 of the job in 12 days. 3 by 4 of the work in 12 days. One work he will do in how many days? 3 multiply 4 here. 3 4 are 12 in 16 days. In 16 days they will complete the work. Okay, Jyoti. Mala is twice as efficient as Jyoti. So Mala and Jyoti I will take here. Mala is twice as efficient as Jyoti. So Mala will complete the work in X days. Mala will complete the work in X days. See everyone, Mala is twice as efficient as Jyoti. Okay. So like this is the efficiency here. So they will do the work how? They will do the work like X and 2X days. Okay. So in how many days will Mala finish the job? So here see Jyoti is finishing the job in how many days? 16 days. Okay. So Jyoti 2X is equal to how much? 16 here. X is equal to 8 days. So X is Mala days is there. So Mala will complete the work in X days. Okay. That's it. They completed here. Now you come everyone. Next question. Question number 7 here. So question number 7, he's asking here 50% can do the work in 12 days, working 6 hours a day. So 50% can do the work in 6 days, working 12 hours a day, and 60% can do the same work in 8 days, working 8 hours per day. Okay, the value of X. So this is the cancel, 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 2, 3, and this is the 5 3 are 15 divided by 2 equal to X. X is equal to 7.5 days. Okay, X equal to 7.5 days. So this is the only answer here. Okay, so this is the eighth one question. You see, if 6% working 8 hours a day, 6% working 8 hours a day, earn how much? This is 8,400. Okay, 9% working 6 hours a day. So how many like money he's here? Okay, so this is the 2 here. This is cancel here. One second, this is the cancel here. 6 6 cancel here. This is the again what happened? This is the 2. This is the 2 and 1 double 0 here. This is the 1050 is here. Equal to what? 9 by M here. M is equal, no, 1050 is down, sorry, 1050 is down here. So I will take 1 by 1050. So 1050 is equal to what? 9 here. So 935 0. One second. This is a 0 here. 9 5 is 45. 5 is here. And 4 is a carry. So 9450 is the correct answer. Okay. So 9450 is the correct answer for this one. So this is the correct answer for this. Okay. Now we will try question number 9 here, everyone. Question number 9 is here. Avinash is twice as fast as Bharat. Okay. So Avinash is twice as fast as Bharat. And Bharat is Avinash, Bharat, and Chandra. Okay. And what he's saying here, Bharat is 1/3 as fast as Chandra. Bharat is one second. Bharat is 1/3 as fast as Chandra. So I will take here days directly. Okay, I will not take efficiency. Okay. So days is what here? Bharat will do in 6 days. Just opposite will happen. Like Avinash is twice as fast as Bharat, na? So Avinash will take like 3x time. You know that day is the just opposite of the Bharat. And what about Chandra? Bharat is a 1/3 as fast as Chandra. So Chandra will do 1/3 means 1/3 of 6. You will take 2x days. So Chandra will take 2x days. So this is the entire days for this one. See everyone, this question no need to touch the pen. Without touching the pen, you can solve this question using the like option. See here, Avinash, in what they're asking, Avinash, Bharat, and Chandra complete the work in how many days? So Avinash, how much work days he's doing? No, he's doing twice time. He's taking of Bharat. Sorry, half time of the Bharat. So only one option you have where the Avinash is taking half time of the Bharat. Okay, but you see everyone, Bharat is taking 1/3 time of the Chandra. That is not correct here. He should be 60. It should be 60. Then answer is the correct. Okay, so no option is a matching like this. Okay, no option is the matching here. So this is the not a correct answer. Okay, this is not a correct answer. So without touching the pen, even using the option, you can solve the question. Okay, so this 9th one here done here. Come to 10th one, all of you. A can do 1/5 of the work in 4 days. So 1/5 work in 4 days. So one work in how many days? 4. 1/5 is the how much here? 20 days. And 1/6 of the work in 5 days. One work in 5 into 6 here. How much this is? 30 days. Okay. 1 by 20, 1 by 30 equal to 1 by x. This is a 50 here divided by 600 equal to 1 by x. 1 by 12 here equal to 1 by x. X is equal to how much here? 12 days. In 12 days, in how many days they can finish the work if they work together? 12 days they will finish the entire work. Okay. So 12 days they will finish the entire work. This is the answer. Thank you everyone for watching this video. And please refer to the other college student also, those who are appearing for the TCS NQT, TCS NQT. Okay. Yeah, Infosys, any other companies. Yeah, definitely if 1 month you appear continuously in the test. Okay. In 1 month, I will cover everything. Okay, entire topic of the quant and reasoning. So 1 month if you appear in this one, so definitely you will be very good in the quant section. Okay, and you have to forward this one to your junior and senior also. Okay, those who are struggling in the quant and is not able to crack the quant test, this test, and you can watch the solution video here. Okay, and enjoy everyone. Okay, thank you all of you.